Today, the book I'm going to introduce is Harry Potter, who was loved by many people as a movie too. There is many series, and I will introduce Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Mr. Dursley, a well-off Englishman, noticed strange happenings on his way to work one day. That night, Albus Dumbledore, the head of the wizardly academy called Hogwarts, meets Professor McGonagall, who also teaches at Hogwarts, and a giant named Hagrid outside the Dursley home. Dumbledore tells McGonagall that someone named Voldemort has killed a Mr. and Mrs. Potter and tried unsuccessfully to kill their baby son, Harry. Dumbledore leaves Harry with an explanatory note in a basket, and in front of the Dursley home, one day mysterious letters began arriving for Harry. They worry Mr. Dursley, who tries to keep them from Harry. But the letters keep arriving through every crack in the house. Finally, Hagrid takes Harry for boy supplies to get in Hogwarts. Harry meets friends Ron Weasley and Hermione Granger. After Christmas, Harry, Ron, and Hermione begin to unravel the mysterious link between the intruder and the three-headed guard dog. They learn that the dog is guarding the Sorcerer's Stone, which can provide its owner with eternal life and infinite wealth, and belong to owner Nicholas Flamel, Dumbledore's longtime partner. They solve the problem and find the stone. This book was Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Thank you for listening.